We're gonna decorate the Jeep today. Spooky edition. Am I thinking? Like that. I got my lights. Watch. They're on a timer, so I can turn them on at like 7. And they have a bunch of different modes. I like the combination one because it does like everything. They're black and white with skeleton heads, skulls, duh, to match my little skeleton. They're in pieces though. So zip ties fix everything on a Jeep. Okay, I like using the little zip ties on my bumper because I have an aftermarket bumper that has these nifty little holes to put them in. If you have a stock bumper, you can still zip tie it. You can literally zip tie anything.
Really?
Okay, you only need one on the end. If you put too many, it just turns into more work when you're trying to take it off. And just wrap it. It's super easy. I like putting a lot on, so I put them really close together instead of like spreading them out. This is gonna take a minute, so we're gonna speed it up. This is literally the worst part. Came apart. I think I ripped it. It's okay. Zip ties. I don't know about you. If you don't live in Florida, you don't get it, but it's so hot. All right, now we're gonna do the lights. It's the same thing as the Garland, except now I have to untangle this sad, sad mess.
Unpaid support.
Technically, these are waterproof, but I like to put them in a plastic bag just in case. And I zip tie the bag and then zip tie it underneath the bumper. So you never know.
Are you double zipping right now?
Yeah, you never know.
I don't really think that's necessary.
Double zip. Even though it says they're weatherproof or whatever, they're never fully weatherproof. Weather resistant, right? Weather resistant is when it can resist certain things. Proof is when it's guaranteed, I think. That's why your phone is water resistant and not waterproof. Like a phone, like a case is waterproof. Sounds electric. So I zip tied this to a little thing underneath. It's hard to see now, but there's a little hole and I just zip tied in so that I can turn it on and off whenever I want, and it just hangs on the inside of the bumper. That's the dog that went crazy when Tater was yesterday outside.
Am I crazy, Tater?
I think so. Tater didn't go crazy, the dog did. Because Tater would never. So embarrassing, Tater.
Trying to film something here, buddy. Tater, go lay down. You sure you've done this before?
Yeah. To make this easier, I wrap it up in a ball. Hopefully I don't tangle them up again. But it's the only way to do it. I'm sweating. Same thing as the Garland. I thought it was orange, but this is only lighting up purple. Maybe the other lights are orange. It's too late now. I've already committed. I'm going to change it because the combination is going too slow and I want it to flash and be obnoxious. Like me. It's too long for the whole thing, so I just go wrap it back around the other way. No one will know the difference. I can't find the hole. Is that what she said? He said? I don't know. Either way, I can't find the hole. Now for the skeleton. I gotta use big zip ties for this. Can't use the little ones. Tasty. She can hang. Or if I put enough, she could probably sit. I'm thinking sitting is gonna be the best option. Strapping her in. Safety first. Just tuck it back there. Nobody will know. Okay, that's really it. Is it giving spooky? I got my Raxoim headlights to match the battery powered lights. I can link my Raxoim headlights in the video description below. You can change them in any color, but obviously I wanted them to match. It's getting late, so we're gonna finish the spooky Jeep tomorrow. All right, I just woke up. It's time to get moving. We already decorated the front of the Jeep yesterday. Now we're gonna go into the back.
That's what she said.
Okay, it's time to make this go by a little bit faster. In case you didn't know, there's another hurricane coming to Florida Wednesday, but we're getting some of the rain now. How unfortunate. But now it's like raining. I don't know what to do.
It's kind of dry under here.
It must be nice. It's time to go inside. Okay, it stopped raining finally, so we're gonna get back to it. Ooh, that's very wet.
What do you mean by that?
Gotta connect more pieces together. All right. Maybe it'll be easier to stick my hand in the tire because it's wet. I was gonna say stick my hand in the hole. Okay, it's time to make this go by a little bit faster so we don't end up like him. Yep, I ran out. I didn't think this through, and I have run out of Garland for the second time. We love that. We're gonna go to Party City and see if they have the same exact Garland. According to Google, they do. So let's find out. Also, whoever invented this, I hate you. Am I in the video? Yeah? No? When you're decorating your Jeep with Garland, I've done this like 3 times for Christmas, and I usually get like 10 foot like green Christmas tree garlands. So I'm not really sure why I didn't think about this for doing the front and the back for the Halloween one, because the ones I got off of Amazon are, it's like 6 little rolls of like 4 feet. So obviously the math doesn't math. So give or take, I usually use like 100 feet. And when I only bought 2 packs of, I don't know, 40 feet and thought that would work, I wasn't thinking. I almost always buy 10 every single time. And I think I might have 1 left over. Depends on how like squished I put them. With a green garland, it's more noticeable that that it's not like fully wrapped. With the Halloween one, it's black anyways, so you can't tell the difference because the tire is black. Gotta use my noggin more. Should I do this for every holiday? I normally only do it for like Christmas and Halloween, sometimes Valentine's Day. Comment below, let me know. I'll do it for every holiday. What other holidays are there? Holidays. Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter. Thanksgiving, or like fall. I could do in November like fall like decor. Cinco de Mayo. Okay. Am I missing any? Let me know. Ones I could decorate for though. Like I'm not gonna decorate for Columbus Day or what my job calls it, Indigenous People Day. Which one is it? Might not put that in. People might think I'm a little crazy. Do you think the people behind me who see half of a tire decorated are probably wondering What kind of crazy lady would go out in public like that? I probably would if I saw that. That was a really bad parking job, to be completely honest. Don't do what I did. Beep, beep. Did I lock my keys in the car? Maybe I'll find some good decorations. More for the house. Find it. I bet I could make a smaller one for cheaper. I'm pretty crafty. Do you know how cool that would look in the Jeep? I can't spend that much money. They don't look exactly the same. 9 feet. Okay, math. I have half the tire left. 9 feet. Half the tire. Math is not my strong suit. 9 times 5. 45. If I usually use 10? I don't know. That's kind of cool.
We have a few of these.
It's only $20, not $150.
Yeah. If you want more, there's a few more on that shelf, and there's plenty more up top.
Okay, cool. Thank you. I'm gonna hold on to it and see how I feel about it. All right, change of plans. I'm going to take off the Garland that's on the spare tire. It's gonna take forever, but it's okay. And then I'm gonna get another color of Garland, probably orange, and then rotate each little spot on the tire in different garlands. That way I don't have to wait until Wednesday, because that's how long it would take to reorder the Garland I got from Amazon. How much is it though? Baby disco. Price. No price. These are gonna come off. Maybe I could spray some like outside special glue. Yeah, it was like there's only 3 left on the floor.
I'll go ahead and double check for you.
Okay,
I'll
yeah.
put my phone on.
She's only $60. You're coming home with me.
Yeah, that's all right. That's good. Okay. All right. Okay, that's good. That's good. It's enough slices!
Just in case. I don't want to run out and have to come back. All right, come on. You're walking too slow. I think there's 9.
Okay, so your total is 114 right now.
I didn't want to say that too loud.
Where'd you get this shirt?
Official Babes Off-Road. But they're not a company anymore. She stopped making them. We teleported here because he didn't want to film for me. I thought I told you to film everything. You had one job. Just one. And now, the torturous part of undoing everything I just did. I'm taking off everything I just did because I didn't calculate how much of the Garland I needed, and the one that we found at Party City is slightly different, so we're just going to alternate on the whole thing. And it's raining again. You're not gonna hold it for me? Baby Disco. What should we name her? Let me know in the comments. Baby Disco's not good enough. It is funny, but I need something clever. So you can see that they're not the same because the skeletons on the first one I bought are big and there's like white in this. This one, the skeletons are a lot smaller and there's no extra white. So we're gonna like opposite them. Alternate them. And now it starts the long process again of wrapping the tire. Let's skip forward to the end and get it done faster. Okay, we finished the tire. She looks good. Now for the fun part, Disco Baby. Just kidding. Before Disco Baby goes on, the orange lights have to go on. So we're gonna wrap the tire once again. Disco Baby's about to get locked in. All right, we're gonna put Baby Disco on the
Disco Baby.
Sorry, we're gonna put Disco Baby on the spare tire with some of these little, what are they called again? Zip ties. It might be quite difficult, but I'm gonna try. I'm probably gonna have to combine some zip ties and make them longer so I can strap it to the rim. I can't do this with one hand holding it. Can you fucking help me? Hold him. I didn't say to let go. Thank you. Do your job. Isn't there a song about like chains and stuff? What's that song? Chains and whips excite me. Ooh. I'm zip tying the chains. And we're gonna come back. We're gonna go under. Excuse me, Tater. Next zip tie. Coming back across. And I'm zip tying it to the little plastic part behind the spare tire so it really stays on. Dang, she looks good. All right, now for the fun part. Thank you.
Beautiful, you baby.
Thank you. Boy, yeah. He's 4.
Baby.
We got Baby Disco. Disco Baby. God, we got Disco Baby a little hat, and I think it's gonna be great.
It's not a hat.
We got Disco Baby a mask. So we're gonna try and zip tie it on. She's got a really small little head compared to this mask, but we're gonna make it work. Well, I took 2 zip ties, put them together, and we're gonna wrap it around the head and all this extra fabric. Oh yeah, the head is so much bigger than the body. It looks good. That's it for the Jeep decorating video, spooky edition. If you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe, let me know. I'm gonna be putting a bunch more videos like this and a couple other things, maybe some surprises, so stay tuned and don't forget to Jeep wave.